Tēnā rau atu koutou katoa. Ko tia ahau, tō koutou reo āwhina mo tēnei kopae, Toku Reo, Toku Ohooho. We've reached the last of our whakatauki for this series, kia ma te ururoa, kei ma te wheke. Translated, it means fight to the last like a shark, don't limp like an octopus. It is said that when a hammerhead shark is attacked, it fights relentlessly. An octopus, on the other hand, goes limp and gives up. Mā taki mai.
Don't you give up on me, bro.
Bro, can't hold on much longer, bro.
Don't buckle on me now.
Let's just give up, bro. Let's just let them win, bro.
Come on, te ururoa. Kei ma te wheke.
Kia mate, what the heck?
We're gonna go down fighting like a hammerhead shark. Or like I'm a bee octopus. Are you wheke?
No, bro, I'm not thinking,
Are you
bro.
wheke?
I'm the hammerhead, bro. I'm the hammerhead, bro. I'm a shark. Bro, I'm a wheke, bro.
Oh, wheke.
Oh, kemara. I wonder what his attitude would have been like if there was a big kai at stake. As you can see, this whakatauki is all about never giving up. Kia ma te ururoa, kei ma te wheke. No matter what situation you're in, you should always fight to the last. Our second whakatauki, tohia ko te tohi o te kai, can also apply in this situation. Mā taki mai anō.
Don't you give up on me, bro.
Bro, can't hold on much longer, bro.
Don't buckle on me now.
Let's just give up, bro. Let's just let them win, bro.
Come on, te ururoa. Kei ma te wheke.
Kia mate, what the heck?
We're gonna go down fighting like a hammerhead shark. Or like I'm a bee octopus. Are you wheke?
No, bro, I'm not thinking,
Are you
bro.
wheke?
I'm the hammerhead, bro. I'm the hammerhead, bro. I'm a shark. Bro, I'm a wheke, bro.
Oh, wheke.
The hammerhead shark is revered for its strength and determination. It's also one of the most common kōwhaiwhai patterns in wharenui throughout Ngati Porou. So next time you or someone you know is feeling like you just want to give up, just remember, kia ma te ururoa, kei ma te wheke. Never give up.
Toku Reo, Toku Ohooho, Toku